Welcome friends. Usei Irolpa, a traditional Manipuri recipe. Friends, Tripura, a northeastern state of India, has 11 species of bamboo. So, it became a traditional delicacy of Manipuri as well as the tribes of the state. In this video, I will show how Eromba is made from tender bamboo sprout. For this, we are thankful to Srimati Prabha Sinha of Ichhapur. She collected tender, soft, crispy and ivory yellow shoots from the market. Generally, in rainy season, these are sold in the market by the youth tribes. For this purpose, first of all, she peeled the bamboo sprout, then she made the slice. Along with the bamboo shoots, she added lentil, that is musur dal, salt, some vegetable like potato, brinjal, etc. You may take any other vegetable also. And dry fish, that is called shidol, and green chili. So all these ingredients are boiled in the pressure cooker, and then she grinded all these items to make the recipe. Interestingly, bamboo shoots are a good source of carbohydrate, fat, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B9 and minerals like iron, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, calcium, selenium, nickel and copper. 100 gram of sliced shoots provide 20 calorie energy. It checks cholesterol level by dissolving harmful LDL. It also prevents colon cancer and lower the BP. It serves 17 essential amino acids and 2 semi-essential amino acids. After making the paste, she added 2 Manipuri maroi. These are Tokpaningkong, that is Hutuinia cordata, and lemon mint. If you want to lower your body weight, then consume this diet regularly. And its lysine amino acid is essential for the growth and development of the children. For your kids, you may provide this diet regularly. Thank you. Hope you have liked the video. So, like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates.